Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I am going to use this transfer. This was my favorite one when the catalog came out, so I'm going to do it today. And I'm going to use two of our shimmer pastes, which is new. So let's go. Okay, so first you have to take the transfer off the backing and cut it apart on the cut lines. And by the way, there are two different transfers on here. Besides Santa, I can explain. There is Son of a Nutcracker, cute one that we'll be doing later. So right now just mark the backings because these are reusable. So you want to put it back and you want to have it sticky side of the transfer to the shiny side of the backing. Now I'm putting the transfer on, smoothing out all the bubbles and get a nice seal on there. And then I'm just going to use bright white chalk paste. White really pops on chalkboard. So I'm taking the angle squeegee, smoothing it all on, and taking off any excess, smoothing out any lines in there. Put the excess back in the jar. You can use it later. Don't waste any of it. It'll last you quite a while. I love it. See? See how well it pops? Okay, after that dries, then I put the bow on, and I'm going to use one of our shimmer paste, shimmer red on the bow. It's really pretty. It gives you kind of a glittery effect without the mess, which who doesn't like that? Love glitter, just don't care for the mess. But this has got all of the things going for it. And we have it in red, gold, silver, and copper. Now I'm doing the bell in the shimmer gold. So just to show you some of the other shimmer colors we have, you saw the red and the gold, and here is shimmer copper. Isn't that pretty? Versus the red. Shimmer copper, shimmer red, and shimmer silver, and the shimmer gold that I used on the bell. So if you like it as much as I do, go check out my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. I also have a VIP group. It's Sherry Lynn's exclusive VIP group. I'll put the link down below. Thank you.